Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'll give you my thoughts of Pixel to XL 1 week after I updated to Android 11. So I'll give you my thoughts, what I'm thinking, or should you upgrade your Pixel to XL? So yeah, get some popcorns and let's start with the video. Android 11 is out, so 1 week with Android 11 on my Pixel XL 2. And in today's video, I'll give you my thoughts. Some people in the comments, in the previous video that I did, saying that some people didn't receive the update yet, which is a little bit strange in my opinion. But the update is being released on 8th of September. So exactly 1 week after I updated this Pixel XL 2. So what is my verdict, my opinion? Should you upgrade your Pixel XL 2 if you have Pixel device? But let's talk about first some key features. So we have interesting features about Android 11, and I think now this version of Android 11 is a little bit more excited. So I'm going to leave the video that I did a week ago with some of the cool features that probably you haven't seen before, but I'm gonna leave the link down below. Also, I'm gonna put the video in the end of this video. But yeah, we have a different features. We have the iOS is a little bit different now, so it's familiar Android version Pixel launcher, but overall I think it's pretty clean, pretty good in my opinion. Also, I see some difference in transitions. So for example, if you go to an app, it's a little bit fluid. I think the transition is much better in my opinion, and I feel a little bit fast. I don't know, maybe it's my device, but I feel the device a little bit faster from the previous version. Other than that, I think it's a great smartphone, even after 3 years. Also, some people in the comments said that they have problems with the battery. Also, don't forget that this device is nearly 3 years old, but I didn't have any problems with my battery. And actually, the battery still keeps full day for some reason. I don't know. I play games, I watch a ton of videos on YouTube, and for some reason I don't have any problems with the battery. Usually I charge the phone in the night. I keep it in the charger for 8 hours. In the morning I just plug the phone and I'm ready, and keeps me full day. So this is pretty good after 3 years. Also, some people was complaining that the LTE version here on some devices are disappearing for some reason. I don't know. I didn't have any problems. I live in UK, so as you can see, it says 4G. No problems with the reception. But overall, 3 years, this phone is still great, and I don't have any complaints. And in my opinion, you definitely should you update your device. Definitely yes, you should update your device because you get pretty cool features. Also, your device will be faster, and I don't know, you'll keep it up to date. So I know some people in the comments said that they don't want to update. They still on the version 10. This is your choice, this is your preference. But if I'm honest with you, you should update, but this is your personal preference. In my opinion, it's good. The version is very stable so far, and I believe that this is going to be the last version. If I'm wrong, probably this is going to be the last version of Android that this device will get. So if you have a Pixel 2 device, I think it's good to update because it's a good version so far. It's stable. So yeah, if I'm surprised, this is gonna be good, but this is 3 years old device, and now it's running Android 11. Who knows? Maybe next year I hope this is right, but if gets Android 12, this is gonna be very good, but I'm doubted, to be honest. And something that I need to point now, I don't know if you have the same problem with your device. So if you launch a game, I'm going to leave this game in the descriptions down below if you want to play it. I think it's a cool game. So basically, for example, you play the game, but let's play it just for the sake for the video now. I don't know if you have the same issues or the same problems with your device. So basically, you play game, and for some reason, I'll show you now until this. So basically, you play your game. You obviously you enjoy your gaming experience, but then when you decide to go back from your device just to quit the game, I don't know what's going on here, but for some reason something is happening here. I know that the only way to fix this problem is to power off and power on, and now the problem is fixed. But I don't know if this is only my device or if you have the same issues. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, my verdict is, yeah, definitely you should update your device. It's good because it's gonna be up to date. You don't have any problems. So yeah, definitely update your Pixel 2 XL and enjoy the cool features. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below, my previous videos with some cool features. But yeah, my verdict is good, pretty good still. Keeping 3 years old, this phone is great, and now the prices is very low, so you can purchase this for less than £200. So definitely this is a very good. And also don't forget the camera on this device is great. So it's gonna be great smartphone in my opinion, even after 4 years. So yeah, this is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was my thoughts on Android 11 on my Pixel XL2. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more cool videos.